Are you looking for the best printer stand? In this video we will look at some of the best printer stand on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. HUANUO Printer Stand. The HUANUO printer stand is a versatile and space-saving solution designed to enhance office organization and productivity. With its emphasis on freeing up valuable desktop space, this printer stand serves as a functional addition to any workspace. The stand features a two-tier design, with the top platform measuring 17.2 x 13.2. This generous space accommodates not only printers but also 3D printers and paper, reducing clutter on the main work surface. By elevating the printer, the stand minimizes the need for a large footprint on the desk, counter, or shelf. A standout feature of the HUANUO printer stand is its role as a perfect office organizer. It includes a convenient storage drawer equipped with dividers, making it an ideal place to store various office supplies and accessories. This drawer helps keep essential items within easy reach, promoting an organized and efficient workspace. Number 2. MindReader 3 Shelf Printer Cart. The MindReader 3 Shelf Printer Cart is a versatile and practical addition to any workspace, designed to enhance efficiency and organization while maximizing available area. With the primary goal of saving valuable workspace, this 3-tier printer cart offers a smart solution for housing your printer and other essential equipment. Its adaptable design makes it suitable for various settings and usage scenarios, providing the flexibility to optimize your workspace according to your preferences. One of the standout features of the cart is its ability to be placed either under your desk or directly on your desk. This adaptability makes it a versatile choice for different office setups. The assembly process is hassle-free, requiring no tools, and can be completed quickly. Furthermore, the design is intentionally modifiable, allowing adjustments to be made whenever needed to suit changing requirements or workspace configurations. Number 3. DEVAISE 3-Drawer Wood File Cabinet. The DEVAISE 3-Drawer Wood File Cabinet presents a versatile and stylish solution for maintaining organization in office spaces or home studies. Combining open storage spaces, filed drawers, and a storage cabinet, this filing cabinet is engineered to streamline the arrangement of office equipment, documents, and supplies. Its adaptable design allows for placement beside or under a desk, optimizing space utilization. With a contemporary and sleek finish, it effortlessly blends into various office or study environments. One of its standout features is its generous workspace, which accommodates devices like printers or scanners on its spacious desktop. The open storage shelf enhances functionality by enabling users to customize the space allocation according to their specific needs, making it ideal for a range of applications. The DEVAISE 3-Drawer Wood File Cabinet further distinguishes itself with its storage capabilities. The top two small drawers offer ample room for organizing small items, contributing to a clutter-free workspace. The bottom drawer is tailored for hanging letter-sized and A4 files, ensuring systematic organization and granting convenient access. The full extension of the bottom drawer simplifies file retrieval. Number 4. Safco Under-Desk Printer Stand. The Safco Under-Desk Printer Stand is a compact and functional solution designed to efficiently manage printers, scanners, and fax machines in office settings. With its thoughtful design, this printer stand effectively optimizes workspace by allowing these devices to be stored conveniently beneath desks, thereby freeing up valuable surface area. Crafted with durability in mind, the printer stand features a robust steel frame that provides remarkable stability. This sturdy construction is further enhanced by a powder coat finish, which not only enhances the stand's professional appearance but also resists chipping and scratching, ensuring a prolonged lifespan. The top of the stand is designed with a scratch-resistant laminate surface, making it compatible with a wide range of office machines. This top surface provides a secure and supportive platform for placing printers or other devices, giving users a reliable space to work with. Number 5. VASAGLE Industrial Printer Stand. The VASAGLE Industrial Printer Stand is a versatile and practical solution for individuals seeking to optimize their workspace and enhance printer accessibility. This 3-tier mobile printer stand is designed to address common printer placement issues and provide a convenient and flexible printing environment. If you find your desk space cluttered or your printer inconveniently placed, the VASAGLE Industrial Printer Stand offers an attractive remedy. With its extra spacious tabletop, this stand ensures that your printer remains within easy reach, reducing the need for unnecessary movements and promoting a more efficient workflow. One of the standout features of this printer stand is its adaptability. The adjustable tabletop allows users to choose between two different heights, a lower height at 26.6 or a higher height at 30.1. This adaptability enables users to customize the stand to suit their preferences and needs. Whether you prefer a more ergonomic height for comfortable printing or require additional storage space underneath, the adjustable feature offers practicality that caters to diverse requirements.